Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, first, navigate to the Schwab website. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for your credentials. Enter your user ID in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you do not remember your user ID or password, click on the corresponding link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your login information. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your Schwab Intelligent Portfolios dashboard. In case of an error, double-check your user ID and password for accuracy. If you continue to experience issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser or device to access your account. For enhanced security, Schwab may prompt you for two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Once logged in, you can easily view and manage your investment portfolio. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for seamless navigation. Explore the different features available to maximize your investment experience. Remember to log out after your session for added security. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Log Out. This ensures your account remains secure until you are now ready to confidently navigate your Schwab Intelligent Portfolios account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.